Welcome to Max online class. Second sum. Compute log 27 base 9 minus log 9 base 27. Log 27 base 9 minus log 9 base 27 is equal to this 27 can be written as 3 cube. So log 27 base 9 can be written as log 3 cube base 9 minus log 9 base 27 can be written as 9 can be written as 3 square log 3 square base 27, which is equal to this power. It comes in front of the logarithm, so 3 log 3 base 9 minus, similarly here also this 2 comes in front of logarithm, so 2 log 3 base 27, which is equal to 3 by, here log 3 base 9 is in the form of log a base b, which is equal to, if you take reciprocal, this logarithm becomes 1 by log b base a, 1 by log b base a. So log 3 base 9 can be written as 1 by log 9 base 3 minus 2. Similarly here also log 3 base 27 can be written as log 27 base 3, which is equal to 3 by log 3 by log 9 can be written as 3 square base 3 minus 2 by log 27 can be written as 3 cube base 3, which is equal to 3 by this power, it comes in front of logarithm, so 2 log 3 base 3 minus 2 by log, here also similarly here also 3 log 3 base 3. We know that log 3 base 3, here base and powers are equal, so this value is 1, so this becomes 3 by 2 minus 2 by 3. Take LCM, 6 is the LCM, cross multiply, 9 minus 4, 9 minus 4 is 5 by 6. Third sum. Solve log x base 8 plus log x base 4 plus log x base 2 is equal to 11. So this can be written as 1 by, take reciprocal, so 1 by log 8 base x plus 1 by log 4 base x plus 1 by log 2 base x is equal to 11. So 8 can be written as 2 cube, so 1 by log 2 cube base x plus 4 can be written as 2 square, 1 by log 2 square base x plus 1 by log 2 base x equal to 11. Bring this power in front of logarithm, so it becomes 1 by 3 log 2 base x plus, here also bring the power in front of logarithm, 1 by 2 log 2 base x plus 1 by log 2 base x is equal to 11. Here log 2 base x is common, 1 by log 2 base x is common, take outside, so this becomes 1 by log 2 base x into 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 is equal to 11. Take LCM, so this becomes 1 by log 2 base x into 6, and cross multiply, 2 plus 3 plus 6 divided by 6 is equal to 11. So 2 plus 3 plus 6 is 11 by 6, then cross multiply, so this becomes 1 by log 2 base x is equal to 11 into 6 by 11 cancel, so it is equal to 6. This can be written as log x base 2 is equal to 6. Then this can be written as 2 power 6, we know that 2 power 6 is equal to x, 2 power 6 is equal to x, 2 power 6 is 64. Solve log 2 power 8x base 4 is equal to 2 power log 8 base 2. Log 2 power 8x base 4 is equal to 2 power log 8 base 2. We know that a power log x base a is equal to x. We know that a power log x base a is equal to x. Similarly, you have to use 2 power log 2. 2 power log 8 base 2. 2 power log 8 base 2 becomes 8. 8. Then this power 8x, this power 8x, it comes in front of the logarithm. So 8x log 2 base 4 is equal to 8. 8 cancel. So this becomes x log 2 base 4 is equal to 1. This becomes x log 2 base 4 is equal to 1. Then it should be written as x is equal to 1 by log 2 base 4. 1 by log 2 base 4, which is equal to, this becomes, use change of base rule, this becomes log 4 base 2, log 4 base 2, which is equal to 4 can be written as 2 square. 4 can be written as 2 square. So log 2 square base 2. Similarly, here also take this 2 in front of logarithm. So this becomes 2 log 2 base 2. 2 log 2 base 2. We know that log 2 base 2 is, its value is 1. So which is equal to 2. Fifth sum. If a square plus b square is equal to 7ab. If a square plus b square is equal to 7ab, show that log a plus b by 3 is equal to 1 by 2 log a plus log b. If a square plus b square is equal to 7ab, show that log a plus b by 3 is equal to 1 by 2 log a plus log b. Consider a square plus b square is equal to 7ab. Consider a square plus b square is equal to 7ab. Adding 2ab on both sides. So this becomes a square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to 7ab plus 2ab. We know that a square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to a plus b whole square, which is equal to 7ab plus 2ab, 9ab. Taking square root on both sides. So this becomes a plus b is equal to 3 square root of ab. 3 square root of ab. Square root of ab can be written as ab whole power 1 by 2. ab whole power 1 by 2. Take this 3. It comes under the division. So a plus b by 3 is equal to ab whole power 1 by 2. Taking logarithm on both sides. So this can be written as log of a plus b by 3 equal to log ab whole power 1 by 2. Log ab whole power 1 by 2. This power, we bring this power in front of logarithm. So this becomes 1 by 2 log of ab. 1 by 2 log of ab. We know that log of ab is log a plus log b. Log a plus log b. So 1 by 2 into log a plus log b. Sixth sum. Prove that log a square by bc plus log b square by ca plus log c square by ab is equal to 0. We know that log a plus log b plus log c is equal to log abc. Consider the LHS. The LHS is log a square by bc plus log b square by ca plus log c square by ab is equal to log of a square by bc into b square by ca into log c square by ab, which is equal to log of, multiply the numerator separately. So this becomes a square b square c square divided by, multiply the denominator separately. So a square b square c square, a square b square c square cancel. So you have log 1. Log 1 is 0, that is equal to RHS. Eighth sum. Prove log a base a square, log b base b square, log c base c square is equal to 1 by 8. Consider the LHS. Log a base a square, log b base b square, log c base c square is equal to, so this can be written as, take reciprocal. So this becomes 1 by log a square base a into 1 by log b square base b into 1 by log c square base c, which is equal to, bring this power in front of logarithm. So this becomes 1 by 2 log a base a into 1 by 2 log b base b into 1 by 2 log c base c, which is equal to 1 by 2. We know that log a base a, log a base a, its value is 1. Here also 1, here also 1. So into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, multiply the numerator. The numerator becomes 1. Multiply the denominator separately. So you have 8, which is equal to 1 by 8. That is equal to RHS. Ninth sum. Prove log a plus log a square plus log a cube plus etc. plus log a power n is equal to n into n plus 1 divided by 2 log a. Consider the LHS. The LHS is log a plus log a square plus log a cube plus etc. plus log a power n, which is equal to, keep the first term as it is, log a plus, bring this power in front of logarithm, so it becomes 2 log a plus, here also bring the power in front of logarithm, so it becomes 3 log a plus etc. Similarly here also bring the power in front of logarithm, so it becomes n log a. Here log a is common, so take outside, this becomes log a into 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. up to n. We know that 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. up to n is n into n plus 1 by 2. So we can write log a into n plus 1 by 2. So this can be written as n into n plus 1 by 2 log a. That is equal to RHS. If log x divided by y minus z is equal to log y divided by z minus x is equal to log z divided by x minus y, then prove that x y z is equal to 1. Let log x by y minus z is equal to log y by z minus x is equal to log z by x minus y is equal to k. Let us assume the given equation be k. Then equating log x by y minus z is equal to k. Cross multiply. Log x is equal to k into y minus z. Taking e on both sides. Taking e on both sides. If you take e on both sides, e and log get cancelled. E and log cancel. So remaining you have x. X is equal to e power k into y minus z. Then equate the second one. Log y divided by z minus x is equal to k. Cross multiply. So you will get log y is equal to k into z minus x. Taking e on both sides. If you take e on both sides, e and log cancels. Remaining you have y is equal to e power k into z minus x. Equate the last one. Log z divided by x minus y is equal to k. Cross multiply. Then you will get log z is equal to k into z x minus y. Similarly here also you have to take e on both sides, e and log cancel, so remaining you have z is equal to e power k into x minus y. Then LHS is xyz is equal to, here x value is e power k into y minus z and y is e power k into z minus x and z is e power k into x minus y. Here the bases are equal. So add the powers. So you will get e power k into y minus z plus k into z minus x plus k into x minus y. Then the power k is common, so take outside. So you have e power k into y minus z plus z minus x plus x minus y. Plus y minus y cancel, z minus z plus z cancel, minus x plus x cancel. So remaining you have e power k into 0. K into 0 is 0, e power 0. E power 0 value is 1, which is equal to RHS. 11th sum, solve. Log x base 2 minus 3 log x base 1 by 2 is equal to 6. Log x base 2 minus 3 log x base 1 by 2. You have to take reciprocal. So we can write 1 by log 1 by 2 base x is equal to 6. this becomes log x base 2 minus 3 by log of 1 by 2. We can write 2 power minus 1. 2 power minus 1 base x is equal to 6. Log x base 2. Bring this power in front of logarithm. So this becomes a minus log 2 base x. Already one minus is there. So minus into minus plus. So it becomes a 3 by log 2 base x is equal to 6. Keep the first term as it is, log x base 2 plus 3 log 2 base x. Log 2 base x, we can write log x base 2 is equal to 6. Here log x base 2 plus 3 log x base 2. We can add. So if you add, you will get 4 log x base 2 equal to 6. Which is equal to log x base 2 is equal to 6 by 4. Cancel the numerator and denominator by 2 table. So this becomes a 3 by 2. Log x base 2 is equal to 3 by 2. Here we can write 2 power 3 by 2 is equal to 2 power 3 by 2 is equal to x. 2 power 3 by 2 equal to x. So x is equal to 2 root 2. X is equal to 2 root 2. 12th sum. Solve log x square minus 6x plus 65 base 5 minus x is equal to 2. Log x square minus 6x plus 65 base 5 minus x is equal to 2. This we can write 5 minus x whole square is equal to 5 minus x whole square is equal to x square minus 6x plus 65. Expand. This is the form of a minus b whole square. So a minus b whole square means a square plus b square minus 2ab. So we can write 5 square plus x square minus 2 into 5x. So we can write 25 plus x square minus 10x is equal to, keep these three terms as it is, x square minus 6x plus 65. This equation becomes x square minus 6x plus 65. Bring these three terms other side, it becomes negative minus x square plus 10x minus 25 is equal to 0. Plus x square minus x square cancel. At the same time 10x minus 6x 4x, 65 minus 25 40 plus 40 is equal to 0. So 4x is equal to, bring this 40 other side, it becomes negative, so minus 40. So x is equal to minus 10. Cancel both sides by 4 table. So you have x is equal to minus 10.